Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Balkanji Badi International President Naveen Kumar Jaggi ji, all of our guests, school principals, chairmen, center heads, teachers, parents, and most importantly for whom we are doing this event, my dear kids. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you on our grand annual day. That's the 5th annual day we are celebrating this time. And I would like to thank each one of you for trusting Kids Castle in providing edutainment services in most safe and secure environment. Parents, because you are here, that's why we are handling the Kids Castle. Because of you, we are. Dear parents, in last 30 years, if you see, the dictionary definition of curriculum has the dictionary definition of education has completely changed. 30 years back, it used to be only curriculum and curriculum. एक गुरु शिष्य वाला भी culture था 30 years back. Now education has become more of a, it has evolved, more of a professional approach. We have safety and security on high priority because you don't hand over your child to us, you actually hand over your heart to us. We need to take care of them. It's more about health and hygiene. It's more about edutainment. It's more about experiential learning. It's more about theme-based activities we have at our school. In our Kids Castle, we have a mini HR firm also running. Many inventory management firm is also running. Obviously, many accounting firm is there. So many things are there. Obviously, balance among all of the things is very vital. So that's why we have kept our theme as Vibgyor, balance of 7 energies. I won't call it as a color. I will call it as a 7 energies. If you have a more of a red light, you won't get a white light and you can't shine like a sun or shine like a star. So balance among all of the energies is important in our real life as well. No use of having employee over satisfaction when customers are dissatisfied. No use of having lakhs of income, crores of income when your child can't stand on it. No use of spending health for money at a mid-age and then spending money to get the health back at a later age. So somewhere these balances are created by leaders of the society. Coming back to the leadership part, leaders are born. There's a wise saying, leaders are born. Leadership is in blood, leadership is in DNA. Who all are with me? Leaders are born. Who all are with me? Just raise your hands, please. राइट जैसे हम कहते हैं ना पंजाबी ये काम अच्छा कर लेते हैं या गुज्जूज ये काम अच्छा कर लेते हैं. There is other side of coin where my parents strongly believes leaders are not born. They are made in the society, for the society, by the society, by providing proper trainings. They gave me tag of IIT and SP Jain luckily and IIMs. So leaders are not born, they are made in the society, by providing proper training. You know, both of the groups were conflicting. Then some researchers redesigned this definition. Leaders are born and made in first 5 years. Leaders are born and made in first 5 years. Parents, first 5 years of a child is very, very important. First 5 years of a child, EQ of a child is getting ready. EQ is more important than IQ. You take example of any CEO of the company. He may not be having all technical skills, all HR skills, all marketing skills. CEO of our country, Modi ji, he may not be having all surgical strike skills, but his EQ is at the top. On that day, I was watching Dance India Dance episode. There is a child, there is a girl at the age of 6, she is selected and she daily comes on a TV. On other corner of our country, there is a girl at the age of 20, she started preparing for Dance India Dance, and at the age of 30 also she is not selected there. कहीं ना कहीं वो सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर से सोच रही होगी काश रीबर्थ हो जाए फर्स्ट 5 years वापस आ जाए 6 years में आई शुड बी एट अ डांस इंडिया डांस. सो पेरेंट्स फर्स्ट 5 years of a child is very very important. Give them time, they don't need money, give them time, and first 5 years of a child, roots of a child is getting ready. Depth of the roots decides the strength of a tree. We at a Kids Castle have a strong expertise in creating the depth of the roots of a child. Thank you so much. Thank you each and everyone present here. Thanks all of the guests, all of the parents. I will start with my right, though Mr. and Mrs. Khanijo are the host, but I will thank you for your time. And thanks Mr. Naveen Kumar Jaggi ji. Sir, we have been hearing a lot of things about you from our parents. You have been evolving society since decades, since generations. Thank you so much as a chief guest. Thank you so much for your presence and blessing our kids. Thank you, Ravinder sir. You are heart and soul of Kids Castle, whole soul, power and energy you have been providing. Each and every guidance we have been getting from you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Anshul Tyagi ji. Thank you. You are very innovative and your innovative ideas are always helpful at Kids Castle. Thank you for all of the strength you have been providing personally and officially. Thank you, Mr. Surender. Thank you, Mr. Nanda ji. Thank you so much. Thank you each and everyone. I will end up with my favorite quote. Change is only permanent in life. Kids Castle is changing. Kids Castle, hope Kids Castle is best and it will be better than the best. Thank you. Thanks to each and every parents. Now let's enjoy the show. Thank you. I find myself within them, so I normally forget them. Heart and soul of Kids Castle, they founded me and we founded 42 Kids Castle. Mr. and Mrs. Bajaj, Mr. B.L. Bajaj and Mrs. Usha Bajaj, and proud parents. Can we please have a round of applause for them? They founded us and we founded Kids Castle. Thank you so much. Thank you.